2017 C7Z06, got our full stage 4 cam package, 18% lower, Kong export, 2.5 upper, 103 throttle body, 2-inch headers, R heat exchanger, and tank, 5-inch rotor fat, big gold R fuel system, motion brake towards catch can, and then a bunch of other stuff.
And again, dude. 18 is back.
You're really something, dude. We got 100 food for the next month.
What?
The pretzels.
Oh, yeah. I'll eat them for at least 30 days.
Yeah, well, that's why I threw the other ones out. I didn't want you eating them anymore.
Yeah, I know, dude. It comes out like 3 weeks later.
Dude, there was like 3 left there. I'm like, I'm not even letting you eat.
He's like, my jaw hurts.
It really...
Yeah, I mean, I'd say a week is about it.
Yeah, they were as hard as I'd say a lollipop. That's about how hard they were when I was eating them.
Even with microwaving them?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, they were fucking hard.
It doesn't do anything. It might make them harder, I don't know, but they were fucking like jawbreakers. I still don't really understand the whole...
You have to understand how an engine works before you can understand.
Yeah.
It's also why we add the valve spring too, because
yeah, why do you change it?
More lift with the cam is putting more stress on the spring, so you need that bulkier spring, and that's why we're...
So what, they'll break if you left the OEM ones?
Yeah,
or they could?
They most likely will.
Huh.
I mean, I forget what it is, the time period, and what you should replace your springs regardless, even these ones. Full springs. Oh yeah.
Money?
I think everything from that fucking men's warehouse, where it's at, men's warehouse trash.
That's where I got mine.
I just ordered 2 off Macy's website.
What do we got going down on this C7 today?
What we got going down? Finally got my headers in stock.
Okay. You've been waiting on those?
Yeah, you wait on the headers. Got my fuel pump mounted.
This is getting a stage 4?
Yeah, no meth though.
But what makes it a stage 4?
Cam porta blower, fucking...
Porta blower, a clutch? No clutch?
It's an auto, so no clutch.
Alright, I haven't looked. So mainly when I was gone, you got the interior, all that stuff buttoned up. You didn't do much out here?
Well, I mean...
Like you didn't have to pull the motor or nothing?
No, but you saw the cam go in and then you didn't see anything else.
Right.
The engine's back together, the heads are on, valve springs are done. Got our lower balancer on.
Cool. So what do you do? What's going to be the next big thing you jump into on this car?
I'm getting the headers and the rest of the exhaust fitted up now. And then I'm going to move on to the fuel system.
But you already got the fuel pump done. What do you got to run all the wiring for it and lines?
Wiring, more lines, regulator. Then I'll get my ice tank set in here once I get the headers in.
Cool. Good morning.
Still need to get the blower on, obviously.
Yep.
So that'll be good.
Is the blower back?
Yes.
Cool. Well, guys, I was at the track, missed a little bit of stuff, but we'll give you as much footage as we can. So when you go with a full system like this, no cutting, no welding required, no nothing?
Not on these ones.
Because sometimes I see Matt cutting things out and re-welding, like
That's typically
on Camaro stuff. This is all pretty much bolt right up.
Why didn't this go in?
Yeah, good.
Uh, 2017 C7Z. Baseline 577. Got our full stage 4 kit, no meth. So our full cam package, Innovators West 18% lower, Kong export, 2.5 upper, Nick Williams 103, 2-inch headers, our heat exchanger and expansion tank, a Rotofab Big Gulp. I don't know if that was on here already or the customer just had it. Our low side fuel system, Motion Experts catch can, and we put a steering wheel on it, the dash, and brake pads, and we're doing tires also. I already made some rips on this thing, just on pump gas. It made 733, 727, but I think the belt that was on here was a little too long, so we just put a shorter one on, and it's nice and cold now, so I'll do a cold rip and see where we're at. All right, see if this new belt helps. And it did. Perfect. Not falling off anymore. I need to put some timing in it because it was a little relaxed on the timing. Oh, it made 739, 718 on 18.2 pounds. I don't know how much more this is going to make, but I'm going to put some E in it after this. .744, 717 torque. It's done on pump gas. We're gonna dump some E in it. We'll be right back. It's got 35% E in it now, but it's hot. .62. 735 torque. We'll be right back. I'm gonna make some changes. All right, let this thing cool down. Not completely, but for like a half hour. Same amount of E, 35%. 775. You can still take some more timing too. I'm gonna do that. I'll be right back. It needs 6 more horsepower. I'd like to make 800 with this thing. I'm gonna let this thing cool down. And I can still put more timing in it, which I'm gonna do. So I'll do that. I'll let this thing cool down for like another half hour and we'll make another rip. All right, cold pull. Same amount of E, 36%, but it's a little more timing. $825, 786. It's still got no knock either, but I'm gonna leave it there. Fuel system's basically maxed out. Just because it's got no meth and stuff. Stock injector, stock high side pump, which we always do. So other than that, this thing's badass. So it's basically our full stage forward, no meth. So with meth, this thing would probably make, I don't know, at least another 50 to 60, sometimes maybe more, but it's super hot out. I don't know if you can tell I'm sweating. It's like almost 90 out today, 89 I think. Other than that, this thing's badass. He's from Pennsylvania somewhere. I don't think local, but I mean, Pennsylvania's not, you know, too far, but either way, he'll enjoy this thing and we're gonna ship back to him later.